This video demonstrates how to download a print driver from Xerox.com and install the driver on a Macintosh computer. From your Safari browser, go to www.xerox.com. Click Customer Support, then click All Support and Drivers. Enter the printer name in the search window and click the magnifying glass or press Enter on your keyboard. Click the Drivers and Downloads tab. Click Drivers and Downloads with the printer name. Select I agree to terms and conditions and click Download. In the Download window, click the driver file. The driver application opens on the desktop. Click to open the driver file. In the dialog box, click Allow. Click Continue to proceed with the installation. Click Agree to continue. Click Install to install the driver. Enter your username and password, then click Install Software. The dialog box displays the installation progress. From the list of printers discovered on the network, select your printer, then click Continue. In the Setup Printer window, click Print Test Page, then click Continue. The installation was successful. Click Close. Click Keep to save the driver file on your computer. The installation of the Macintosh driver is complete.